We're in Auckland.
Yes, and it's the first coffee because it smelled so good. We needed to check it out. There's a name, Retro Espresso.
Retro Espresso.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are finally in Auckland, but it took us forever to get out of the airport. In this video, we will show you how we explored the city for a few days and some places where you can get food. We will also be sharing our thoughts about the city. If you have read articles that it takes around 40 minutes to get through New Zealand customs, that's partially not true. It took us almost 2 hours to get through it with nothing to declare.
We need to take bus 70 or 72X going to Panmure Interchange.
This one?
Yeah, this one, yeah.
Yeah.
I like their bus stops.
Yes. Also, on top, you can see plants.
Yeah?
Flowers.
Yeah, they... I think this was featured in Nat Geo?
Yeah.
Or Nat Geo or CNN Travel?
Oh my god, I don't know.
Or BBC Travel.
But Singapore tries to do something similar and they should. Yeah.
After wasting several hours at the airport, making our way to our Airbnb, checking in and freshening up, we were quite hungry. We decided to try Peach's Hot Chicken, which is just several steps from Panmure Station.
What did you order? Fried chicken
I have
with waffles?
the chicken and waffles and maple syrup. This is the regular fries, but this
Fried pickles.
Fried pickles, and you can see it.
And I have the OG. The chicken is quite good. I like the batter.
Yeah? Is yours spicy?
Not really.
Because you ordered without spice.
I should have done mild spice. No, medium.
Oh my god, take a video of this. When I squeeze it. Spicy.
Spicy?
Not too much.
Yeah. That's the maple syrup?
Yeah, there's a lot of it. Let's keep it.
A few moments later.
How did you like the chicken?
It's really good with the waffle. That's something we can definitely try. And I like the maple syrup combination. And I must say for medium spice, well, it's not spicy at all, but I think it's like a little bit European, American,
kind of spice.
tamed down spices. And this is fried apple pie.
Fried apple pie, yeah?
Let's
Okay.
dig into this. That's right. Let me take a smaller bite. The corners, the edges are really fried. Hope it's not too hot. Oh.
PAK'n SAVE, right? That was the... Was it a supermarket?
No,
is it a
like
supermarket?
like a huge warehouse supermarket.
Yeah.
Everything looks like what we have in Europe, Metro.
Yeah.
And people who know Metro, this is like Metro.
Afterwards, we are on our way to Sylvia Park for some shopping and groceries.
It's so clean.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Did you find anything?
I'm seeing brands I've never seen before, but only online. It's like curious to see it like in person.
Let's find a supermarket. Where did you buy all your clothes earlier? From Dotti, right?
Dotti, yeah, that was the name.
Everything was on sale.
Yes. I'm so super lucky because they're like things, you think about, oh, it would be nice in that color or something like this. And by accident, I found it.
You got a lot of stuff for how much? 40 euros?
Yes.
42 euros?
Yeah, 40, you can say 42.
Yeah, converted.
I mean, you will buy just the trousers for that much. And I have a dress, shorts, trousers, and what they call knit.
This place is massive.
Oh my god, yes.
Oh, they also have the coffee club here.
Yes, from Thailand.
Yeah.
This is really nice, I like it. It's massive. We're still on the way to find the supermarket. It will close and we will not find it.
For an hour. We finally found it.
Yeah.
PAK'n SAVE.
Why groceries? Our Airbnb has a kitchen. Making breakfast or cooking our own dinner is cheaper than always eating out. When we travel, we try to book places that have at least a kitchen.
What did you say earlier? The milk looks like detergent.
The packaging, yeah, it's like detergent, like blue, it's like always ocean. Smells like the ocean.
Okay, we're here. At
'Cause
McDonald's.
at least once in every new country, so we can see. Okay, I already.
Oh, just order flat white.
Yeah. What?
Flat white? Only
I
flat
want.
white?
I want one. I want the large one. You?
Just medium. Do
Thank-
they have any special burgers that you haven't tried?
That I haven't seen.
Grilled chicken almighty.
That I haven't seen. I mean, the bacon stuff is very rare.
Yeah, we can take it later when we're hungry.
Yeah? What is this to share? Oh
Yeah.
my god!
Massive double Big
Double
Mac.
Big Mac, double Mac chicken. I have not seen that. Double fish fillet.
You'll also double in size if you eat that every day.
Triple cheeseburger. I think I've seen that, but that's not very often that you see.
The only drawback to our Airbnb is it did not have a washing machine. After dropping by at a laundry shop, we headed to Auckland's Central Business District. The city has several things to offer in terms of sightseeing. There's the Sky Tower, but we were not really interested in going up. The sky is just gray and it has been raining since we arrived. We thought it would only have been worth it if it was a beautiful sunny day. Not impressed? No. Auckland Domain, Cornwall Park, and Albert Park are also some of the recommended places to visit. Those were also not in our itinerary because of the weather. There are also several gardens here that you can explore, 3 of which are in the Auckland Domain. We did not feel too guilty skipping those because we have been to the Botanic Gardens, Flower Dome, and Cloud Forest in Singapore. Buying cookies.
Because it rains and it stops and the sun comes out.
Yeah, it's quite humid.
It smells so good.
There's also a zoo and an aquarium, but we were never interested in those as we would rather go on a safari or go diving. We have done both, and observing animals in their own habitats were way better experiences. This building is called the Strand, I think? Yeah.
This is 20s style, like Art Nouveau.
The Strand Arcade dates back to 1910 and is one of the oldest arcades in Auckland. It's a visually impressive building with late Victorian and early Edwardian architecture, and has historical significance for reflecting an important step in the development of retail shopping in New Zealand. Okay, let's go back to Glen Innes to get our laundry before they close. It's already 5. I think it takes us 20 minutes from Britomart Station. Yeah.
If the trains are on time.
Our thoughts on Auckland, except for the colonial buildings, it really did not have that wow factor. Maybe we were fortunate enough to have traveled a lot and seen so many places that it became just another city to tick off our list. If we were still in our early days of traveling the world, the feeling might have been different.
Yeah, that was fast.
Thank you, bye.
Yeah, we got it.
Is it heavier now?
No, it's
It's lighter?
same. Yeah, I mean it's dry.
Yeah. I mean, now the dirt is out, they should be light.
The laundry shop is just near Glen Innes station. We explored the area for a bit and found these beautiful murals. We were also a bit hungry and thought about going to a nearby McDonald's. However, we found a surprising alternative, a Filipino cafe.
You
Wanna
want to go
go?
to that Turo Philippine cafe?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, there would be a Bosnian cafe I would also show you.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
What did you order?
The milk fish soup.
Yeah, it's sinigang bangus. And
You can pronounce it correctly.
I ordered,
The same, just fried.
yeah,
Egg.
garlic with garlic rice.
Yeah, garlic rice.
Yeah.
Mine has the fish with the skin. That's a first.
Well,
Okra.
your
and
favorite.
Bok choy and aubergine.
Be careful, it's super hot.
I have to take it out to cool it off because I need to peel the skin as well. That's something I've never done. I've never seen fish served like this.
I like the tangy taste of the soup, but the fish was a little bit too bony. The halo halo was also a first for me. I never expected to have beans, crushed ice cream, coconut shavings, and creme caramel in one dish together.
Sunny day when we're about to fly out of Auckland.
Yeah. Well, at least I hope the weather is like this.
In Queenstown, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's it for our Auckland trip, and we're off to Queenstown. If you're a seasoned traveler and have been to many cities, it's not a big deal to skip Auckland. That's also true for travelers whose main goal is to see nature and landscapes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.